Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from a smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now when both devices are connected, you can play any music or videos you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. And that's basically it. If you want to disconnect your smartphone from TV, press this button again and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.